Very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Prebell with Team William in India. So we are meeting back after an extended weekend. We celebrated the Labor Day as well as the Gujarat and Maharashtra Day. So let's begin today's session with Nifty 50 setup. It looks very positive. I think since it made a bottom somewhere around in March, around 16,800. From there, the positivity is there in the Nifty. There were some 9 consecutive sessions of gain in the Nifty, followed by some 5-7 sessions of sideway movement just above the 200 DMA, as you can see in the chart. And after rebound from the 200 DMA on the Monday, so last week was an excellent one for the bulls. So all the 5 sessions, the Nifty closed higher. And the best part that I liked was the Friday's closing. The closing was near the day's high, or you can say near the week's range high. Plus, the volume was also above average. So I think on Tuesday as well as Friday, for 2 sessions, the volume was above average. And for the other sessions as well, I think it was a decent one. ऐसा नहीं था कि एकदम से ही low volume पे rally हुआ. So this is something positive to take out from the last week. Now, it's important for Nifty to move about this 150 200 level. 250 जो 150 to 250 वाला जो level है, this one. So now Nifty needs to move above that level, and I think we are already comfortably trading above the key moving averages. So once we are above this levels, I think the rally might continue. But yes, one thing, guys, sure. So somewhere over here also, after that 8-9 sessions of rally also, I told you कि छोटा सा पुल बैक अगर 3-4 दिन का कंसोलिडेशन होता है, थोड़ा 200-300 पॉइंट का पुल बैक होता है, then that is not negative. Like, that is always a healthy pullback. So that had what happened over here, right? Last to last week. So if something happens over here also in a case कि 18,000 के अराउंड थोड़ा consolidate करता है, ठीक है, या फिर 17,900 18,200 के बीच में घूमता रहता है, then that is positive. So don't take that as a other way. But अगर ऐसा consolidation होता है, but one thing to be sure is कि जब भी डाउन जाता है, whenever the market is going down, the volume should not be on the higher side. Similar, it's applicable to your stocks. If the stocks, when it is going down or it is having some small pullback, volume high nahi hona chahiye. So that's the important thing. Okay, so news, lot of results, lot of news in the market. So today, if we look for the day, that Tata Steel, Ambuja, VBL, KEI, Newgen, UCO, and a lot of other companies will be reporting its result. The April GST collection has been robust, and not only just robust, it's been the highest ever collection, 1.87 lakh crore. In India, the manufacturing April PMI was 57.2% versus 56.4 in the previous month. So again, a robust number. Kotak Bank was a beat on all front. Ultratech was a beat on all front. Maruti sales numbers were superb, no doubt about it. Even the RBL Bank result was excellent. It beat estimates. TVS Motors का sales growth decent था. Some problem with Hero Motor as well as the Tata Motors. उनका सेल्स थोड़ा डाउन गया, एक्सपेक्टेशन से थोड़ा कम था, ठीक है. बाकी for the oil companies, like the windfall tax on the crude has also been cut, not mentioned in this one because a lot of news are there. Even the some smaller news like RVNL SCC emerged as the lowest bidder for a 2,200 crore project. NTPC NPC has signed an agreement to develop a nuclear power plant jointly. Also, just it came that Coal India's April production was also up around 7 to 8%, and sales was up around 8 to 9%. So, yeah, mostly on the oil front, the number has been the news has been positive. Now, if we see the global market, it was flat yesterday in the US. In fact, very flat closing. In the Asian market, also no major movement. Kospi is up around 0.5%, while Nikkei is trading flat. If you look at the SGX, yes, it's a gap up opening, somewhere around 100 point, or you can say a bit more of gap up opening is expected this morning. But let's see, the most important part is to sustain, because looking at the result of the banking stocks, I think the bank Nifty will give a lot of help, led by the Kotak Bank. Okay. And even the others have been doing really well. So no problem in the overall market. But let's see if we can, hold that gain, because it's an important zone. जो 18 150 200 वाला zone है, important है. वहां पे अगर हम sustain करते हैं, then we can further extend rally. Otherwise, there can be some uh, ups and down movement, 100 200 point का range इधर उधर रह सकता है. So chart of the day, Mtar Technologies. Uh, the business is an excellent one. They are in the manufacturing parts related to the nuclear power plant, the defense. Their clients are like ISRO, DRDO, like the nuclear corporations. So all the rocket launches that ISRO does and make us feel proud to be an Indian again. Then so MTAR technology is used in those kind of work also. So it's a very quality and niche business. And so setup, the results have been really good since in the last few quarters. The sales growth has been decent, the EPS growth decent. If you look at the EPS strength of 19.7 is perfect. RS is 73, but it is at an all-time high. We have got a blue dot in the list. The stock just broke out on the Friday. Just वहाँ पे close हुआ pivot पे. So you need some good momentum today, and it will fall in the ideal buy zone. Other thing that I like about this one is that if you can see on the right side of the base, यहाँ पे एक वॉल्यूम पे स्टॉक बढ़ा था, और जब भी छोटा मोटा कंसोलिडेशन आया या पुल बैक आया नीचे की ओर, the volume was very low. So this is something what a positive setup is. Even on the left side of the base, if you divide left and R of the base, left and right, here also the volume were very low, and it found support near 200 DMA. एक दिन थोड़ा उसके नीचे गया था, but broadly you can say it always does. यहाँ पे भी वही हुआ था, यहाँ पे भी it found support near its 200 DMA. So let's see how it moves over here. But the growth story, the fundamental has been good. Plus the technical ratings are also decent for this stock. So that's it for today's sessions, guys. Thank you for joining.